Hey guys, welcome to Houghton's Computer Repair. Starting with the latest Firefox Quantum version 57, there is a new user interface called Photon. Basically, the Firefox Quantum now includes the ability of a default, a light, and a dark themes that they have. There's also a list of customized and other ones you can find out there, but it's up to you what you want to choose. On this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can change the theme of the Firefox Quantum for your account on Windows 10. Let's go ahead and get started. Before we get started, I just want to let you know that we have some shirts that are for sale. If you want to help us out, that will be great. You don't have to if you don't want to. It's all up to you. The cool thing about these is that some of these shirts may have a verified charity contributions. So basically some of the percentage of what you purchase on this shirt, it will go to that contributions of what's in this list. But it's up to you. But let's go ahead and get started. Alright, the first thing you need to do is go ahead and go to Firefox, and you'll see that it has the default layout. This is what it looks like, something similar. What you're going to need to do is basically go to the top right where it says the open menu, and you're going to go to the selection where it says customize. Go ahead and select it. Now, Firefox has so many different features that I'll probably make other videos for you, but the one that I'm going to be showing you right now is just the cool themes. So right on the bottom when you get there you see themes. You have a few other ones. There's the light one, so you literally can tell it's white even on the top, and that really brightens up a lot. And they have the one that says the dark theme. This is one of my favorite ones that Firefox has. There's other ones that they may already have, like the space fantasy, and they have other ones that are recommended. You also have the option if you want to get more themes and choose something that you want. So, for example, let me find one that looks cool, like the running foxes. How cool would that be? Setting that for Firefox. And there you have it, it's on the top. But basically, it's how you can change your theme on Firefox. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching from Houghton's Computer Repair, and I'll see you on our next video.